Hey everyone, today we are going to discuss about some agro-based industries. So dear students, just think about which are the agro-based industries, like sugar cane industries, means sugar factory, cotton textile, jute textile, tea, coffee, edible oil, silk. These are the example of the agro-based industries. So let's see the textile industries. So under the textile industries like jute textile, cotton textile, silk, woolen, etc. So in Indian economy, the textile industry are big position in Indian economy. The first reason is it contribute the total industrial production about 14%. The another reason is it provide the employment to the lots of people. About 35 million people are directly and indirectly involved with the textile industries. The third important reason is the textile industries are produce the finished goods and export into the foreign countries and bring the foreign exchange about 24.6%. The fourth reason is it contribute 4% GDP towards the Indian economy. The last point is it is self-reliant and produce the and complete the value chain. That's mean from raw material to more value added product. Clear? So why textile industries are occupy a unique position in industry? I think all of you understand. So next further move, the another fact is and topic is cotton textile industries. So the first cotton textile industries set up in Mumbai in 1854. But in early times, the cotton textile industries mainly run by the power loom and handloom. But power loom introduced after in the starting of the 18th century. So there is some terms. What is loom? Loom is a device which used to weaving the cloth by using the yarn. When it run by the hand power, so it's called the hand loom, and when it run by the electricity, it's known as the power loom. So loom is a device which used to weaving either weaving the cloth by using the yarn. So in early times, the Indian textile industries unable to compete with the foreign clothes because they produce the clothes mainly in Britain by the power looms. So unable to compete with the British textile industries. So today about 1600 textile industries are located in India, but 18% textile industries are private, and rest of the is 20% is public and cooperatives. So next see that most of the cotton textile industries are concentrated in Gujarat and Maharashtra belt. Think about it. Why? Most of the cotton textile industries are concentrated in Gujarat and Maharashtra belt. Now this have some reason. The first reason is availability of raw materials. We all know that the black soil are found in Gujarat and Maharashtra, and which is suitable for the growing of cotton. So raw materials easily available in cotton growing belt of Gujarat and Maharashtra. And the second reason is favorable climatic condition. Due to the nearest of the Arabian Sea, here Gujarat and Maharashtra experience the moist climate and which is favorable for the cotton textile industries and growing cotton. The third important reason is the transport facilities. So Mumbai, Ahmedabad, these are large city, so well connected with the transport. So easily supply the raw material to the industries and easily supply the finished product to the market. And here we get the cheap labor easily from the surrounding village area, either rural areas. And the another reason is here power supply is regular, abundant water is available, and banking and insurance facilities also there. And these all factors are together helps to cotton textile industry to develop and concentrate in Gujarat, Maharashtra belt. So next further move, there is one question is there. Gandhiji emphasized on the spinning yarn and weaving khadi. Why? Because Gandhiji want to develop the feelings of nationalism among the Indian people. Why? Not to fought against the British rule and force on the British rule to leave the India. And the another reason is Gandhiji looks the most of the people of India, they live in a rural areas. They are unemployment and face the poverty. So Gandhiji think if we emphasized on the spinning yarn and weaving khadi, so rural people are get the job, there are employment, so they earn the money and maintains their family. So they come together and protest against the British rule. Next, in that colonial period, cotton textile industries face lot of problem. We know that the British government does not helps to the Indian cotton textile industry for their development because they taken the raw material and sent to the Britain and produce the foreign cloth and sell in a Indian market. They earn the profit, so they are unable to force either helps to develop the cotton textile industry in India. So the another reason is some reason are there for cotton textile industry go back. First reason is erratic supply of the water. Erratic supply of electricity. So without electricity we can't run the machinery. So production will be interrupted. So due to the irregular supply of the electricity, so production was interrupted. That's lead to the major problem for the cotton textile industries. The another reason is most of the machinery are old, so need to be upgraded because old machinery cannot produce the good quality of product and more product. The third important reason is the labor output is quite low, and at that time the synthetic fiber come into the market which is less expensive and durable. So in international market cotton textile industry unable to compete with the synthetic fiber. Clear? So next we discuss about the jute textile industries. So the first jute mill was set up in near the Kolkata in Risra 1859, and India is the largest producer of raw jute and jute product and second largest country on the basis of the export of the jute product after the Bangladesh. So next thing, the why jute textile industries mostly developed along the bank of the Hooghly River in West Bengal. That's like a cotton textile industry. Also, jute textile industry develop either concentrate along the Hooghly River, which is a narrow belt about 98 km long. Both sides of the Hooghly River is a very fertile flat plain. So on that plain, the most of the jute textile industries were concentrated in West Bengal. Why? The first reason is raw material is available because the proximity of jute producing area. So we all know that jutes grow in a flat plain. So high proximity of jute producing areas that supply the raw material to the industries. The second reason is labor supply. Cheap labors are available from the surrounding area, from Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and Odisha. And the third reason is transport. So Hooghly River basin is near the Calcutta, so well developed with roadways, railways and waterways, because Hooghly River is a negligible and less expensive water transport developed on Hooghly River. So easily we can bring supply the raw material to the industries and also supply the finished good to the market through the water transport by using the Hooghly River. So Hooghly River is a less expensive water transport. And the another reason is Kolkata is a metropolitan city. So it's provide the large market to the jute textile industries and also supply the and provide the banking and insurance facilities to the jute textile industries. And last is Kolkata port. Provide the port facility and helps to export the jute product into the foreign countries and helps to develop the jute textile industry and helps to concentrate the jute textile industries on Hooghly River basin. But jute textile industry also face the problem. How? Now, after the independence, 1947, due to the partition of India, most of the jute producing areas went to Bangladesh. 3/4 areas went to Bangladesh. So Indian textile industries are faces the problem, the lack of the raw materials. So due to the lack of the raw materials, most of the industries are shut down. So people are jobless. They went to strike. So labor strike create a problem for jute textile industries. The another reason is most of the machinery are old. So need to upgrade this machinery for better production, and labor productivity is quite low and unable to competition with the synthetic fiber, because at that time synthetic fiber came into the market. So synthetic fiber is long lasting, durable, light and less expensive. So jute textile industry unable to compete with the synthetic fiber. So next see the national jute policy. National jute policy was taken in 2005 by the Indian government. Why? The first reason is to increase the jute production and improve the quality of the jute product. Second, increase the yield per hectare of jute. Third, ensure the price of the jute for farmers. The three aims are taken by the Indian government for development of the jute textile industries.